I want to share with you a powerful lesson that has shaped my life and my success. A lesson I believe can change your life too. It's something I've come to understand deeply. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. On the flip side, failure is simply a few errors in judgment repeated daily. Let me break that down for you. The difference between those who thrive and those who struggle isn't luck. It's not even talent. It's the small choices we make daily. Success isn't about the big, sweeping changes. No, it's the little changes, the seemingly insignificant ones we often overlook, that make the biggest difference over time. Now, I want to give you key disciplines that I believe can radically improve your life if you work on them every single day. Firstly, the journey to success starts with mindset. Your mindset shapes your reality. I remember a time in my career when I was struggling. I worked hard, I showed up, but nothing changed. I would sit and complain, if only the economy were better, if only my boss paid me more, if only I had better connections. I was blaming the world for my problems. Then I met someone who shifted my entire perspective. So, how can you work on your mindset daily? Here's what I recommend. Guard what you allow into your mind, practice gratitude, challenge yourself. Your mindset is the thermostat for your life. Set it to growth, and everything else will adjust. Then the next thing is knowledge. You've heard it said that knowledge is power, right? But let me put it a little differently. Knowledge is potential power. The more you know, the more opportunities you create for yourself. One of the most powerful ways to keep learning is by surrounding yourself with people who challenge you. If you're the smartest person in the room, you're probably in the wrong room. You also need to improve your financial habits. Money is a tool. It's not just about earning more. It's about managing it wisely. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, I learned to pay myself first. No matter how small, I set aside a portion of everything I earned before spending on anything else. Over time, this habit built my financial security. Most of us have heard the saying, money doesn't grow on trees. But the truth is, for many of us, money doesn't go anywhere because we're not paying attention to where it's going. For instance, my friend Jordan, a fellow entrepreneur, was working long hours but wasn't saving. He didn't track his expenses until one day, after a rough financial year, he looked at his bank statements and realized how much he'd been spending on things he didn't need, like subscription services or dining out. By simply sitting down and auditing his spending, he was able to save hundreds a month. And that's when things started to change for him. But managing money isn't just about spending and investing. It's also about avoiding unnecessary debt. Again, learn to optimize your time. Time is the one resource you can never get back. You can lose money, make mistakes, and recover. But once time is gone, it's gone forever. That's why it's crucial to use your time wisely. I remember a conversation with a friend who was constantly busy but never made any progress. He was always running around, checking emails, attending meetings, but nothing ever seemed to move forward. He was wasting time on urgent but unimportant tasks. Successful people don't have more time than you. They just use it more effectively. Here's how to manage your time. Prioritize, plan your day, and learn to say no. Also, work on your health. Your health fuels your success. You can have all the ambition in the world, but if your health is poor, everything else becomes a struggle. Think about it. You can't run a business or chase your dreams if you're always tired or sick. Good health isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good. Invest in your body because it's the only place you have to live. Let's talk about gratitude. We've all had those moments where it feels like life is unfair or overwhelming. But I want to encourage you to shift your focus. Gratitude is one of the most powerful habits you can practice. There was a time when I was overwhelmed by everything I was working toward, but I began a practice. Every morning, I wrote down 3 things I was grateful for. Enhance your communication skills. Great communication is one of the most powerful tools in life. It's not just about talking. It's about connecting. It's about listening, understanding, and expressing yourself in a way that resonates with others. Take a look at someone you admire. They probably have exceptional communication skills. If you want to improve your communication, focus on clarity, listening, and empathy. Mastering communication isn't just for business. It impacts every part of your life. Strengthen your self-discipline. Discipline is everything. It's what separates dreamers from achievers. Think about the greatest athletes or business leaders. They don't rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. I've heard many people say, "I'll start tomorrow. I'll get serious next week." But the truth is, tomorrow never comes. Success is built on small daily actions. Take, for instance, the journey of an athlete. They don't wake up every morning excited to train. They do it because discipline drives them. Whether it's running, lifting weights, or practicing skills, they show up regardless of how they feel. Start small. If you want to wake up earlier, don't hit snooze. If you decide to read every day, read for just 10 minutes. When you master small acts of discipline, you'll have the strength to tackle bigger challenges. And remember, do the hard things first. Don't spend your day answering emails or scrolling through social media. Focus on what truly matters and take action when your energy is at its peak. Moving on to resilience. Life is going to throw curveballs at you. I can almost guarantee it. There will be times when it feels like you've hit a wall, when it feels easier to quit than to push through. But here's the thing. Resilience is built through the challenges we face. Resilience doesn't come from avoiding hardship. It comes from learning how to bounce back stronger each time life knocks you down. And finally, you need to commit to personal growth. Never stop learning. Growth isn't automatic. Just because time passes doesn't mean you're improving. Growth creates success. One simple way to commit to growth is to read every day. Even 10 pages a day can change the way you think. But don't just read. These are just a few of the disciplines that will shape your life. If you commit to these habits, you won't just improve your finances, your health, or your career, you'll improve your life. And that, my friends, is where true success begins. So, as we wrap up today, let's remember this. Success isn't built on luck, and it isn't reserved for a few select people. It's built on the small, everyday habits we choose to embrace. It's all in our hands. Success isn't a big leap. It's a series of small steps taken consistently. Focus on these simple habits, and over time, you'll find that the life you've always wanted is closer than you think. So, as you leave today, ask yourself, what small discipline will you start practicing every day? Because success isn't something that just happens. It's something you create one choice at a time. If you love this video, like and comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.